Watch out, grenade!
Today we're going to a great event. We're going to Operation KillHouse. It's hosted by Gladiator Paintball Park. And supposedly it's a giant building, 4 stories tall. There's an underground system. You can play on the roof. And I'm really excited to check it out and see what we can do today.
That was close. Close it. Open it.
Oh no! Hey, get the fuck out of here!
There's one down the hallway.
Down the hallway? Grenade! Hey, grenade! Why's that crack? What's the crack?
I got it, boys.
Oh, we got another one. Don't get me.
Grenade! Hey, come on. Kick the door for a second.
What?
Close the door for me. We're gonna have to hit another angle.
Yeah, they're like.
Do you have grenades?
I do.
I have a couple.
I have one left.
I almost got him. That was clean. Shot like right past his head. We're all just hold up. Alright guys, we need to push this.
Yeah. Okay. Grenade.
Yep. It's right there. See?
If you can reach over to the top and then go like that. The top of the door.
Like this.
That's hard, I see.
It's far down.
Grenade! Hey. Gavin, you got a flashlight? Huh? You got a flashlight? Flashlight?
Yeah.
Let's roll. Let's go for the tunnels. You got a flashlight? Yeah. You leave. Okay, buddy. Nope, red. I'm not red. Sorry, buddy. Come on, this way. I think I had that one. Hello. Hey. They shooting at you?
Yeah, we all gotta go. Okay, if we can get some of us up here.
Guys, we all gotta go at once. It's the only option. I went with Gavin through the tunnels and it worked. Oh, it did? Oh my god, it's terrible with these boots. Here, take this. Thanks, man. His boots are terrible. Oh damn, it's cool up here. Thank you. See what there is. I got two. I got the hostage. I got them covered on the stairwell. Let's see. Sniper up top. Oh, I broke your shield. Huh? Do you have a name? A name? Yeah. I think I'm on the enemy team though. Guy, a riot shooter on our back door. Watch your legs.
There's a bunch of people stop.
Got him. I got at least one. Alright, you got me. You got me first. Good shot. No ban?
Oh shit, are they back there? Hey, watch out,
Yeah, watch out. Holy shit. Red?
Nope.
You red? Are you red?
Get us.
Oh shit, let's go.
Alright, throw it.
You red? Are you red? Red!
Right on the right? Is it right on the right?
No, I'm coming.
No ban. Fuck it. Almost collapsed. Hey. Got me. Go guys, go. Gavin? Is that you? Okay. Gavin, where are they? Down there?
No, I don't know. I think you're at the front.
How are we doing, guys?
I don't know.
Coming in and out. Fuck yeah, dude. Let's go. Ah! I can't shoot. Hey, it's off. Alright, everybody say grenade. Stop it. Alright, everybody smile and say grenade. Grenade. I just see a bunch of guns sticking out every window.